In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to select Password and Security. Then hit Lock Screen Passwords here. Tap on one of those login methods to pick a perfect one for you. Pattern, numeric password or alphanumeric password. And finally create it. Repeat it to confirm it. And when you're ready, hit confirm at the bottom right corner. Then adjust your lock screen notifications by picking one of those options. Show notification content, show notifications but hide content, or don't show lock screen notifications. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on. Against that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!